Welcome to
Beyond Collecting. Today we're going to be showing you again on top of the cases, some more cases that we have in this room. This is a mixture of stuff. We are going to be changing it, obviously, because there's...
Yeah, sometimes stuff gets laying up here after we do videos, and it's... Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, a lot of these, a lot of the Barbies were presents from a family member. They used to collect Barbie dolls. Yes. Very nice family member. Donut lover, we could say that. And some of these were from our past family members, and a lot of these were also used. So we'll just start right here since we're here. These guys are naked because these are doubles of the boys we have. We got these in the box. The ones we have in the case.
We were going to put extra clothes on them.
Yeah, we were going to mix them, yeah, let's say it like that. We were thinking about cutting his hair, just to make him, yeah, I thought it'll make him look different than mine, I thought, so that's what I was thinking. Okay, this is a fashionista doll we got used. She's, I think, basically complete. She's missing her belt, I'm pretty sure. We got her used, though. Fashion Fever, I meant. These are the Harry Potter bottles. If you're curious, after we did the video, we laid them here. I was going to put them up, and I lost them. And as you see, there's mold in them, so I suggest not putting water in them. That was horrible. You were right. I didn't think they get mold that fast, dang. But here they are. And a bunch of other, yeah. Here's the Raven doll Legacy Day. We have all these out of the box, too, I think, except one. No. Except 3, I'm sorry. Mad Hatter, she's in the box. She's really good condition. We don't have her out of the box, and same with her, I think. No, we have her out of the box too. I'm wrong. She's back here. Playsets back here. Mad Hatter Tea Party. Kitty. She is. Here's Mara. She's one of my favorite dolls. We have pretty many of her. Not new in the box. If you want to check out our Ever After High video, we put them in much more detail, the ones out of the box and in the box, and we show all the ones we own. We have at least 150, I think. They're all in basically brand new condition.
Probably more, but...
We bought them from a collector who really took care of their stuff, so they're in really good condition, mainly all of them.
Yeah.
So she was really nice to us. Yeah, she was really nice to us. And we got Mad Hatter. We do have her out of the box. We did get her. Here she is new in the box. And we don't have this one out of the box, unfortunately, but she has completed her series to this one. She goes with a playset. Playset's pretty cool. I've seen it. And these people here.
If you're wondering about these
people.
These are from people in our family. These are really old. These are from, I believe, the early 60s, perhaps the late 50s, but I'm not for sure. This is Tonto. It was the Long Ranger and Tonto. And this is Johnny West. I believe his name is Johnny West, but don't quote me on that. I don't know. We have like all their accessories in that bagged up. I had them up here. I was going to actually try to work on them. They need work, obviously. They need some TLC.
They have some interesting joints. I just want to say, like
they're very heavy. Like those are heavy dolls too.
Yeah, I like their joints actually. It's pretty cool. I don't know why.
He had like a ton of a bunch of accessories with him.
These weren't really. I'm assuming they weren't probably really played with rough. Our family didn't do that much. I think these were just stored in a pretty bad area, but.
Yeah, I believe that actually the person that got them, though, and gave them to us, they actually, they didn't play with them, but they got them used or something.
Oh, that's probably why. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. All right, that makes sense. Well, their accessories are in really good condition, actually, surprisingly.
Yeah.
All right. Here's these Barbies. These are some of my favorite Barbies, in my opinion. These came from many various places. This came from a worker at Toys R Us. She was really kind. We're friends, and she actually gave us these. These were on sale when they were closing, I think. But
yes, they were closing out.
She gave us these. This is one of my favorite collector doll Barbies because it's so detailed, and just because she did give it to us, I think it's so neat. Here's the original Skipper. Her face is a bit discolored. She has original Alpha-9 as well. I don't think the shoes are original. I think I just put designer. That's not original Barbie. That's a reproduction. But she's in really good condition, and she's also complete. Now, this Chrissy, this is original. I think that's her outfit. I'm not sure. Those are not shoes, but here she is. She bends. She's really unique in my opinion. You know, Barbie discontinued her. I don't know what's up with that. Skipper, she's reproduction. She's still new in a box. I never opened her up. We never did. Malibu Barbie. She has her towel. She's actually in pretty good condition, I think. She has original shoes. I think this is a ripoff Barbie, actually. I'm not sure. It's off of Sweet 16 Barbie. I know that's the Sweet 16 line. I think it's a ripoff, though, but I might be wrong. Here's some of our Bratz stuff. We got a McDonald's toy, someone gave us a long time ago. A Bratz head, and this Bratz baby. We got her used. Really cheap.
We had to move the Bratz head. It was in the case, but we got more dolls, so we had to put the dolls in there. So if you're wondering, yes, that is indeed plastic over her head because we told you we had a dust problem.
And she has pretty cheap hair. So if it gets more dusty, oh God.
Yeah, we
Put
don't
it
want that.
way.
Yeah.
Here's some Bratz babies. These are all original Bratz babies. A family member gave us these, a really nice one. And they gave us these. I can't remember what outfits they have on, but I put these on them because I thought they looked really cute. Here's the reissues of the babies. These are not original, but they're like new since, we got them new. Fair Hair Barbie, I think came out in later 60s or early 70s. I think it was later 60s. We put this outfit on her. She was in pretty interesting condition when we got her. Everything on her, earrings, everything, I'm pretty sure it's like from 60s or 70s. I don't really know, but she's in really interesting shape. We'll just put it that way.
Yeah, a lot of those clothes are original, I think, in there, like original oldies.
Yes, from the original Barbie era. I'm not sure that's actually Barbie. That one probably is, to be honest, but we'll never know. This is Sean Cassidy. He's in pretty good condition, in my opinion. Except
Sean Cassidy, just for you guys who don't know, that's actually David Cassidy's half brother from the Partridge Family back in the day. And this doll was in the 70s because Sean Cassidy, he was in the Hardy Boys show back in the 70s too. It's a 70s show. He was pretty popular, and a family member got him and gave him to us. We had the box to him. And that guitar opens up and it's like a secret code message of some sort. Yes. I'm not really for sure how it works, but we just put him in the case here.
Yes. And next to him it's very covered. The 60th anniversary Barbie. So we got her. Totally didn't get her clearance. I don't know what you mean. I'm joking. We got her clearance. But she's really nice. I like her face. So that's a bit weird saying it like that. Here's Sugar Daddy.
Sugar Daddy.
Yes. He's from the Barbie movie. His dog is very cute.
This is a reproduction. He is from the Barbie movie, but this is a reproduction of the doll that they eventually took off the market, I believe.
And we had this random Lego bag.
It's a Lego purse or a bag.
We didn't know what to do with it, so clearance
it ended up here. That's now you know why we're actually changing this over because it's mixed and matched.
Yeah, it's very confusing. But here, this is a very nice bag. Actually, we never used it, but it's cool to display. Anyways, we got some of these. We did this in the video. Little doggies. Songbird Barbie, which is my favorite Barbie ever made, in my opinion. I love her dress. This is so gaudy and gorgeous. Her bird's in the box. It fell down, unfortunately. We're probably going to unbox her, to be honest, because her bird is like that. Here's, a lot of these came from a family member. The donut person we'll talk about. So, looks like someone paid $20 for her at Johnny's price. Chinese. Very nice. She looks really pretty. And we also have another, Japanese doll. She's very pretty too. Hair's in her face a little bit. Oh, and Holiday Barbie. 2019. It's very nice. We probably got her clearance too. Here's some more of these dogs. Very nice. And a reproduction of the Barbie. I think it's the same Barbie we have in the case. It's just out of the box. Her box was oh no, it's not the same Barbie. I take the back. The glasses are different. She came from a family member like we've been talking about. And, oh my god, her bands are dry rot. Okay. I didn't realize this. Okay. This came from Toys R Us. She bought from Toys R Us. We know because the receipt was in the bag, and she came from a vintage Toys R Us bag. She was in storage right here. Here is Skipper, Chelsea. These are newer dolls.
We just got them new. We haven't opened them.
I'm assuming it's clearance too, since there's this residue here. Same with this one. This one looks like it does something.
They get the point that we get stuff clearanced.
Aha. Oh, sorry, there we go.
And our family members do too.
I think the thingy, I think the jewelry box thing moves. I can't really do it. But it does work. I just can't, I had to have 2 hands to do it. And that's basically, it's just other stuff. So, I guess this is the Barbie and the Dream House stuff, isn't it? Huh. Alright. So, this is the top part. As you can see, there's a lot of Barbies up here. They're just covered to death.
Yeah, they're just covered. When we do our new display, we're going to try to give everyone some equal space to show their stuff.
Yes.
Because right now they're so squished up there that you can't really enjoy them.
Totally won't show partiality at all. I'm just joking. We probably won't. But yeah, we'll show them because they're along this wall here and you can barely see them unless you're paying close attention. And there's a lot of neat dolls here, so it's a shame, really.
But that'll all change. We will change it. And then we can just look forward to our videos, and we're going to try to get the stuff done as soon as we can. We're working every day trying to get it done. It's a lot to do.
We'll show you a collection of our new in the box Barbies probably when we do it too.
Yes, because there's a lot more new in the box that we can't even show you right now because they weren't up there on top. This is just the top of the case.
We have a lot of interesting ones. Our family members, I think they're really gorgeous. A lot of them. Hard to get ones, easy to get ones, but it doesn't matter. They all look gorgeous, to be honest. I mean, let's be honest. They really all do.
It's not always about the price, what they're worth. Sometimes it's just about, what you like, what your style is. And
I think 80s and 90s Barbies are, I don't know about 90s, but 80s look so pretty. They're so gorgeous. So, I agree.
I like the 70s too, the twist and turn.
Yeah, I like
and the 80s too.
I love this face. I like the 70s, like fair hair Barbie face more, but I like this face too. I love this one's eyes. That's why I like it a lot too. I like everything about that though. But yeah, we'll show you it. We'll show you all of our collections eventually. We probably will get to showing you a lot of our collections soon, I'm assuming.
Yes. Well, as soon as we can now. More. Don't expect them real soon because we're working on everything, months, so we're trying.
Months, yeah. But we'll show you them. Keep collecting no matter what you do, and keep on the lookout because we collect anything and everything we can get cheap. All right, bye.
We hope you enjoyed this.
Yes, bye.
Bye.